Welcome to the garden, a place where every leaf and petal has a story to tell. Gardening is a conversation with the earth, but often we miss what the soil is quietly telling us beneath our feet. Weeds aren't just nuisances, they're messengers, revealing the true state and hidden secrets of our soil. By learning to read these signals, we can work with nature, not against it, and create healthier, more vibrant gardens. Let's take a walk together and decode the secret language of the soil, step by step. The humble dandelion, often dismissed as a weed, is actually a powerful indicator of your soil's health. Its deep taproot thrives in compacted soil, signaling a need for calcium and aeration. As dandelions grow, their roots break up tough earth and draw up minerals, especially calcium, making them available to other plants. When dandelions decompose, they return nutrients to the topsoil, enriching your garden for future growth. Dandelions are nature's way of helping your garden heal, turning a challenge into an opportunity for a thriving, resilient landscape. Plantain, with its tough, ribbed leaves, is one of the most resilient weeds in any garden. It thrives in compacted, poorly drained soil, places where grass and flowers struggle. Its strong roots break through dense ground, helping air and water move more freely. Plantain is nature's first responder, healing damaged earth. To fix this, aerate the soil and add rich compost or manure. As your soil improves, plantain fades and healthy plants thrive. Listen to what plantain is telling you, and your garden will reward you. Clover, with its three-leaf clusters, is a sign of low nitrogen in your soil. As a legume, it fixes nitrogen from the air, enriching the ground naturally. Clover thrives where other plants struggle, but it's actually helping your garden. When clover dies or is tilled in, it releases nitrogen for other plants. To respond, add organic nitrogen sources like compost or manure, or grow cover crops. In lawns, leaving clover can benefit the grass. Clover is a gentle reminder that your soil needs a nitrogen boost. Work with it and your garden will flourish. Chickweed, with its delicate leaves and tiny flowers, signals fertile, moist, nitrogen-rich soil. It thrives when you've added lots of compost or fertilizer, sometimes too much. Chickweed is a sign you've done well, but it's also a warning to balance nutrients. Ease off on high nitrogen feeds and add amendments rich in phosphorus and potassium. Chickweed is easy to remove and makes great compost. Its presence means your soil is healthy. Just fine-tune your feeding. Even weeds can be a pat on the back. Horsetail, a living fossil, is one of the oldest plants on Earth, dating back over 100 million years. Its unique, jointed stems and brush-like appearance make it instantly recognizable. Horsetail thrives in acidic, sandy, poorly drained soil, indicating underlying soil problems. Its deep roots mine minerals, showcasing its adaptability. If horsetail takes over, your soil needs attention. Raise soil pH with lime to tackle horsetail. Improve drainage to make soil less hospitable for horsetail. Add organic matter to boost soil fertility. With ongoing soil improvement, you'll tip the balance in favor of a healthier garden. Horsetail signals that your soil needs long-term care. With patience and the right amendments, you can reclaim your garden. Even ancient weeds like horsetail teach us about the land we tend. Next time you see weeds, pause and listen. They're signposts, not just problems. Dandelions, clover, plantain, they all tell a story about your soil's needs. By understanding and responding, you become a partner to your garden, not a fighter. This approach creates a healthier, more resilient garden with less effort. Give your soil what it asks for, and your plants will thrive. It all starts with seeing weeds as guides, not enemies.